Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal 2 co-op alone. First, open Portal 2 and go to the Cooperative Play menu. Make sure the developer console is enabled in your advanced options. Then, start a local co-op game. This sets up the environment for you to control both Peabody and Atlas by yourself. Now open the developer console by pressing the tilde key. You'll need to type svcheats1 and press enter to enable cheat commands. Next, enter int create portal companion to spawn the second bot into your game. This command brings the other character into existence, allowing you to switch between them. To switch between characters, you'll want to bind a key to the int teleport portal companion command. For example, you could bind F to this function. Pressing your chosen key will instantly switch your control to the other bot. This allows you to move both characters through the levels, solving puzzles that normally require two people. For more complex puzzles, practice switching quickly between characters. Some players find using a controller can make movement more fluid when managing two bots. This method offers a unique and challenging way to experience the cooperative levels by yourself. Have fun exploring the game's ingenious designs from a new perspective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.